Did you ever think you'd be in my bathroom? Yeah. I want to do a hand drill today, and this callus right here is all knotted up and raised. Let me show you. I take an old razor and just shave it on down. It kind of sticks to start with, but it eventually starts shading more smoothly. So when we do hand drill today, it won't feel like I have a rock between my hand and the spindle. Now, there's no ridge, no knot of calluses there at all. And I would have thrown that razor away anyways. It was used up. All right, let's try it out. Here is the set that I was working with yesterday when I had to stop because it was too painful. And I just want to let you know that I am using the thick end this time, not the thin end. So now let's see if I can complete this hand drill friction fire. Oh, it went out. All right, that was 3 fails. I went ahead and took a lunch break, and let's go ahead and try it again. We'll use this divot here, and I want to use some ashes on my hands to try to create more downward pressure, more heat on this very humid day. That shaved down callus holding up just fine. Starting to get a little bit painful though. Finally. Good. And how did my calluses do? It's a little bit sore, but it feels better without there being that big knot right there. Do me a favor now, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.